as if we didn't know what to expect of the 2018 Audi A5. Underneath, it's the same as the 2017 Audi A4 we recently tested, which we summed up in this way: it doesn't make much noise about it, but the A4 possesses a quiet competence that is as wonderful as it is easily misunderstood. The same could be said of its two-door brother, with the caveat that it has a more polarizing exterior design even as it strives to look sportier. As we noted in our review of its hotter sibling coupe, the S5, the A5 takes the outgoing car's shape, one that was among the aesthetic highlights of early 21st century automotive design, and amps up the contours until our visual VU meters flirt with the red zone. Audi's second-generation MLB platform underpins the A5, so when it gets here next year as a 2018 model in US trim, it will share the A4's 252 HP 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and that's no bad thing. European models also offer a complement of diesel power plants and a lower power version of the 2.0-liter gasoline 4-banger.